Okay, so once an individual has become, physically dependent, right, due to repeated drug use, right, which will change brain networks, of course, via those G protein coupled receptors, right, and also perhaps NMDA receptor stimulation, right, at glutamate synapses. Efforts to abstain or stop using actually produce very unpleasant withdrawal symptoms, which are thought to motivate relapse. This is what's known as the physical dependence model. Okay, to explain pretty much why people keep using drugs. The idea is that withdrawal severity maintains dependence or addiction and motivates relapse. And a particular researcher named Abraham Wickler in 1980 actually proposed that the drug-taking environment is actually critical, that there are cues, right, that are associated with drug taking, the drug paraphernalia, the places where drugs were taken in the past, the people that you actually took drugs with, perhaps. And these cues actually generate sort of withdrawal. They start to give you a bad sense that can be alleviated, right, by taking the drug. And Anna Rose Childress at the University of Pennsylvania, actually, School of Medicine, in 1999, actually sort of proved Wickler's hypothesis by studying cocaine addicts. She actually exposed cocaine addicts in a scanner, a PET scanner, actually, which would look at changes in their brain that were associated with the stimuli that she was presenting. She showed them videos, these videos of sort of nature scenes, and also these videos of drug taking and drug taking paraphernalia, etc. And she found that in cocaine addicts, the cues that were associated with drug taking actually provoked craving. They reported significant craving for the drug when they saw stimuli that were associated with drug taking. And in addition, there were brain changes. There was more activity in limbic system structures, like, for example, the amygdala and an area called the anterior cingulate, that were associated with the drug-taking videos and not with the nature scenes. So this was an effort, to link, cues or stimuli that are associated with drug taking with specific changes in the brain. It turned out it was in the limbic system, and link those to the behavior that people were reporting, that they felt, a craving, for the substance.